Hello, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, to make sure that you do share this video. Loyal Married at First Sight Mzansi viewers have been given a reason to smile after Lisiba Tleane shared a video on Instagram page that showed him and wife Matshidiso Maputse looking relaxed and genuinely happy in each other's company. The clip posted on the 10th of August 2026 offered a side of the couple that viewers had not already seen on screen. The pair's journey on the show had been anything but smooth. Most of the tension between them has revolved around Lisiba's self-centered, self-styled rather, king of lifestyle identity, which Matshidiso has felt gets in the way of him fully embracing married life. His tendencies to stay out partying until the early hours while she remained at home became one of the most talked about issues in their relationship. The caption Lisiba chose for this video was a pointed nod to exactly that friction. What time we must go home, right? The show's relationship expert did not hold back when assessing the couple's dynamics. Their assessment painted a clear picture of what needed to change. Lisiba tends to deflect, which leaves Matshidiso feeling that he lacks depth and is only in the marriage for a good time. He needs to retire the king of lifestyle persona and adapt to the realities of a married life. An earlier moment, however, saw Lisiba surprised Matshidiso with a large bouquet of roses and gift, a gesture that has trended and given fans a glimpse of his softer side. A clip from the past therapy session with the show's relationship expert, Thabang Mashiro, showed that they too are hopeful about their relationship and want to fight for what they have, you guys. And of course, people did comment. Somebody said, I pray that it works out. Please, I love this couple. And then someone said, as long as you're together, the best couple ever. I love your wife's love, Claire. This couple gives us hope. And somebody said, beautiful couple, please do not break up. Well, there you have it, you guys. What do you think? Please do engage your thoughts in the comment section down below. Like this video and to share it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.